What? Stop doing that. What if I don't stop? What you will do? If I don't stop, what you will do? You'll call the police? You'll call the police? No, I'm not harming you. What time they are arriving?
In a short while now. A minute.
Just have one coffee. Just a minute. Sige. Sige na. Just go na. Before we start, get a moment to like, share, and subscribe this channel with all your friends.
Basha PHTV.
Good day, welcome back to Basha PHTV. This is Sam, and we have a guest today, Miss Jen. Today, we're back to you with social experiment video.
Bulabugon ko sa ka-foreigner. Iya kong disturbo ho. Let's see, i-defend nila. So, di rin na to makita if there are still people who are willing to help strangers.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. This is Sam from Basha PHTV.
And this is Jen of #Laag Cagayan.
Basha PHTV.
Hi, sweetie. There you go. Watching you early, and I like you too much. Can you just have some coffee somewhere in Starbucks or? There you go.
Don't
Together, you know her?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're together.
Are you sisters or friends?
Sisters.
Neighbors? Can I get your cousin, your sister to? You can join us if you like. Just to have some coffee. Why, mom? Why no?
Sorry, sir.
I'm not your sir. Your husband?
Brother, our brother.
Your brother.
Yeah, brothers and sisters.
How are you, man? Good. What's your name? This is your sister. Okay. Are you from Cagayan? Okay. Can you join us? I just like to sit down in one place and have some coffee together. That's no bad intention, you know. It's okay for you.
The guard is
Let's
here.
go.
No, the guard is here.
The guard is here. So it's okay. I'm not doing anything wrong to you.
Mauli na may karang enemy.
You are leaving?
Yeah.
Oli, let's go. Let's go.
Sige, let's go. We're going. No, we're going. Let's go.
Why no?
We're going.
Sila, daw. Next time? What? Stop doing that. What if I don't stop? What you will do? If I don't stop, what you will do? You call the police? You call the police? No, I'm not harming. Okay, I'm not bad guy. The only thing I like your sister, and I'm not going to leave this opportunity that I found here. Mom, are you single, mom?
No,
You are not single? So let's mingle now.
I'm not ready to mingle. You can go now, sir.
Can I have your name? Okay.
No.
only your name.
Go there, no.
Why you touch me? You like to touch me? You like to touch me? That's why you are touching me. Sige, ma'am, let's go na.
Don't touch her.
What?
Don't touch her.
I like her.
No, she's not like you.
You don't like me?
She's taken now.
They can. You have no boyfriend, so boyfriend, no problem.
No.
It's not a big deal. I can give you a ring. I can give you a ring.
Sorry, agin ako yan nabuo.
Okay, no?
No. Don't.
I'm so mabait and I like her, so you have to stop.
They will call the police.
You call the boyfriend? His police? Her boyfriend is police?
Yeah. You can go now.
I'll tell you something.
Mabto na may, muli na may.
I'll just say something, okay? You wait here for 2 minutes. If you will not agree to go with me in there, I will go in the third floor and I will jump. And you are responsible for that because you know that I will jump. I will jump from here. I already like color.
Go for another.
You will go. No, I already decided. Or we will have coffee or I'm going to jump from the third floor. Okay, now?
You jump!
Your heart.
You jump! No!
Mom, let's go now. Why you are so much defending yourself? You have to push her to do the right things.
Oh.
It's not the right? Why? What I'm doing? I like her.
Yeah, you're a stranger.
No, you're stranger.
I'm a stranger, but I'm a human. I'm a human being.
But
But what?
this
Very nice. Tara, tara. Tara, tara, tara.
Liam. The other camera also recording you.
Bagay no.
So,
Bahay nga, ano ginawa?
Lagi.
Yak nga, laki po ito. Huwag naman, may karapatan tabang yapon.
Hashtag lag Cagayan.
Basha PHTV.
hi sweetheart. Can you sit down? How are you? Are you alone here? Excuse me. How are you today? Why are you acting this way?
Hello, sir.
I'm sorry. It's okay for you to have some coffee in Starbucks or J.Co.
sir.
somewhere. Why no? Are you alone here?
I'm with my...
With? Ah, your sister. Excuse me, ma'am. Is she your sister? Yes.
Yeah.
I saw you busy. I thought that you ignored her. Yeah, so can we have some coffee in Starbucks for a while? Just only for one shot coffee. Ano po? Ay, are going somewhere. So it's only 5 minutes po. Oh.
We're just waiting for someone. Yeah.
Yeah, they can join. Are you single, ma'am?
No, no, no.
Can I have your
We will go now.
Can I have your cell phone number, please?
No.
What about Facebook account? What time they are ready?
In a short while now. A minute.
So let's have one coffee for a minute. Sige. Sige na. Let's go na. Kayo? Okay. Ma'am Jeanette is the right example for everybody in the parks, in the public place. Bothered with other people, they are looking weak. We have to defend them. We have to take them as they are like our sisters or our mothers, something. This from Basha PHTV. Hashtag Lag Cagayan.
Basha PHTV.
So Jen, what we learned from today?
Na-realize na ko nga, Cagayan de Oro is not just a beautiful city. It has beautiful people too. Kabalo mo, wala gid ba ako nailhan at mga taong atong ipangduulan but willing gid sila mag-help sa ato. I'm very happy. Proud kay ko sa mga tao nga naduulan nato nga willing gid sila mag-help. Good job Cagayan de Oro.
And always still the golden friendship city. That's all for today, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friend. This is Sam, Basha PHTV.
And this is Jen of Hashtag Lag Cagayan.